this video I'll be showing you how to convert USDT to other coins on Binance. Okay, so guys, before I proceed, I'll show you if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, share this video with friends, family, lovers, and even enemies. I also contact fast and collaboration for the description of this video. Okay, so guys, let's get started. Now the first step, now you need to head over to your Binance app. So here's my Binance app over here. So now you tap on Binance. Let's wait while this loads up. So this has loaded up now. So now you need to head over to this, tap on this box icon at the top of your screen. So once you tap on it at the top left hand right of your screen, so now you see this on the shortcut, you see this convert section. So now what you need to do now, you just need to select, as you can see I'm on my USDT. The first tab needs to be on USDT, okay, USDT. Then the second tab, you can select which other coin you want to convert from USDT to, okay. So as you can see, you can select any other coin. So as easy as that. So right now, as you can see, USDT to any other coin you want to send, convert to, then you select if you are converting with your spot wallet or funding wallet, whichever one that there is crypto on. So right now input, let me say I want to convert 5 USDT. So now just tap on preview conversion, then tap on convert, okay, and your USDT will be converted to BTC. You can do same for any other coin, okay. That's how you can convert USDT to any other crypto coin on Binance, okay guys. Before I conclude, I'll appreciate if you like this video, subscribe, share, comment, and also contact me for us and collaboration for the description of this video, okay. So guys, that's for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a lovely day. Stay safe.